Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're seeing my channel, in this channel I share a lot of things about living in USA, my car driving experience, my positive and negatives of being a housewife, how to get a job after H4 visa. So like this I have shared a lot of things in this channel. So today it is going to be a happy news. Yes, we bought home in USA and this is our housewarming ceremony celebration preparation video. So many of us buy home or do some special things in USA, but we wonder how to do the celebration, like how to do that in traditional Indian style, right? We all have that doubt. So I'm going to give you some preparation tips of what to buy from India, what we get here, and how to make it look very traditional. So this is my housewarming photos which you have been seeing so long. So many people have many traditions. So in my tradition, when entering home, we should bring certain things. That is what I'm going to show you first, and then what are the important things which we bought for our housewarming. So the first thing which I marked on my list was the Vinayagar statue. Yes, Lord Ganesha statue. It is like very auspicious one. So everyone like to have this statue at home, especially in USA, because we don't get it so much. So I ordered this specially from India. My sister-in-law bought it for me and packed and sent in Gardavega. So this alone came as a package. It was like 12 kgs. So this is the first thing, and then the next thing which I bought is this photo. So many people have different traditions. Some people bring Satyanarayana photo. In our tradition, we bring Lord Ganesha, Saraswati, and Lakshmi photo inside when entering the home. So I specially ordered for this photo a laminated one so that it doesn't break. And then I'm going to show you some items which was asked by the priest, especially for housewarming. I'm going to show you those photos, and also I have a list in this video below in the description. There I have all the items which are needed, especially for Graha Presam. So in this video, apart from the list, I am going to show some decoration items too, and some of the most important things for Graha Presam. So this plate is like a very important one, because when we enter inside the home, we do a puja called Padi Puja, the entrance puja. So for this we need sandanam, sandal powder, turmeric, and then kumkum and some flowers. So priest generally ask to arrange it in a plate like this and bring it while entering the home, so that it will be easy to do the puja. Usually we do it like 4:30 in the morning, right? So if you have it ready, then the puja will be done quickly. So this is the first thing our priest requested: please keep it ready so that you don't keep searching for things at the time of the puja. So this is one of the important things. So I bought like in brass the plate and some cups for the filling these chandanam and kumkum. You can try something in silver, or a regular foam cups are also okay. So next on the list which I bought from India is lamps. Yeah, lamps is very important for puja. Usually we don't keep so many lamps in USA, right? We just bring one small lamp. In my case, I had a Kamachi Amman Velakku, we'll say, a center lamp. Other than that, I didn't have much lamps. So I especially ordered these lamps in India. My dad bought it for me. It's in brass. If you are in India, you can buy in silver and bring it. But usually in packaging, they don't allow silver. So I ordered everything in brass. So this two lamps I bought, a pair of lamps I bought in brass in India, and then we call it like a Pilliyar Manai. I don't know how you call it in English. In that we keep all the gods like Lord Annapurni, Lord Gomata, that is a cow with the calf, and then Lord Ganesha, Lord Lakshmi, all the statues in one single place. So we call it as Pilliyar Manai. I bought that one also in brass, and my dad sent from India. So those things are like important things which I bought. And then the kalasam, it is like the centerpiece which we keep, and the coconut on the top, right? We call it kalasam vessel, sombu we say. That one also I bought in brass and they sent from India. That you usually get in Indian store too, but I wanted to get it from India since I'm sending as a package. So that one is also very important. So these are like things which which we mostly don't get in USA. So those things I bought from India. Other than that, the flowers, the coconut, betel leaves, everything we get in Indian store. So those things we don't have to worry about. Next thing which you have to definitely buy is a milk vessel for boiling the milk. It should be a new one. You should not use any reused vessels. So for this specifically, we call it pal sombu or a milk vessel. So that one I bought from India. And then a priest will ask for navadhaniyam, that is 9 grains. So that one also you get in India, in Indian stores, so you don't have to worry. Other than that, when I was entering, I brought like 5 cups. In that 5 cups I filled rice, sugar, salt, coins, and usually they fill dal, but I didn't have dal. I actually cleared everything from my kitchen to move to the new house, so I kept badam inside. So like that, 5 things which we have to bring when we enter inside. So those things are there. And other than that, there are list of items which I already said, which I attached as a link below in the description. You can refer to that. Okay, now coming to the decoration part. We'll talk about what things I bought for decoration from Amazon, which you can also easily buy. Okay. So this is our backdrop decoration. So we kept this backdrop and then we did all the puja in front of that. So for this backdrop, I ordered this backdrop stand. This company is eMart. There are a lot of brands on Amazon. My friend recommended this one. This was very quick to set up, so it didn't require much to read and install and all. So it was very easy. There were two pins like this, which you see there, cloth pins along with that. To put on this backdrop, I bought curtains also. The curtains are also from Amazon only. So you can choose whatever color you like. I like this blue color, like a teal one, which looked very elegant in the decoration. So this color was very nice. You can look for any light colors. It will look very good. And then to decorate on top of this curtains, I bought flowers from India itself. This marigold artificial flowers. This looks like real flowers, right? But actually these are all paper flowers only. But when it is hanged, it will look very real and very good looking in the photos too. So you can either order this in the Amazon, or you can ask someone from India to buy and send it to you from the local stores too. In Chennai, I got in Saravana stores this bulk of flowers. So my sister-in-law bought it for me and sent in the package. So either you can order from Amazon and then send it to here, or you can ask someone to buy and send from there. So this is very important. And one more thing which I ordered from Amazon is this cloth pins, extra pins I bought, because I said right, with the backdrop stand there will be only 2 pins. So those 2 pins alone are not enough. So buy some extra pins like this. There will be a pack of 6 available on Amazon. I will attach these links too in the description so that you can refer. So initially we planned decoration like this, okay. So initially we will look at some Google photos and plan something, but at last we end up in something. But luckily my friends helped me to decorate the backdrop. They did very good actually. We even combined this marigold flowers with lights, and it looked very elegant in the photos. So you can see now this was taken in the morning, so you can't see the lights exactly, but in the evening the lights looked very beautiful. Okay, and last but not the least, the homum. Yeah, the main homum. This is how it looked. So they will not spoil the floor. The priest will do it very good. For what my priest did is he spread tissues down, and then he kept the aluminium foil, and in the aluminium foil he spread some sand, and on the sand he placed the mango sticks. These mango sticks you will get in certain Indian stores. Those mango sticks he kept on that, and then he lit the homum. So it went very well, friends. This is how our housewarming ceremony went. Okay friends, I hope this video would have been very useful to you. If you find it useful, please subscribe my channel. I will be posting more useful videos like this. Okay friends, bye.